In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and install your Brother DCP-130C model printer on your Linux, Mac OS, or Windows laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Brother DCP-130C support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with a Brother support page. You should see multiple here potentially. We're going to select the support.brother.com link. There is another page, but it will just take you a little longer to get to this point. And you want to select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you're running a newer version of Windows, you may have to select an older version in order to actually find the full installer on the site here. So we're going to select the 64-bit version of Windows Vista and then select OK, and then install the full driver and software package. And then you want to accept the end user license terms. And then once it's on our device, we're going to go ahead and open up that file. So we're going to go ahead and keep the file, and we are going to open it up to extract the contents once it's done. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And again, this is Brother's own support or install utility here. Select yes, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard to get your printer configured based on your preferences. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.